Today, we're diving into Airgram, a versatile meeting management tool designed to streamline your collaboration efforts. Whether you're hosting virtual meetings or conducting face-to-face discussions, Airgram is your go-to solution for enhancing productivity and organization. Throughout this review, we'll delve into its features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and present alternatives.
Let's take a look at Airgram's main features. Integration flexibility. Airgram seamlessly connects with Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, and supports in-person meetings, ensuring compatibility across various platforms. Meeting notes management. Captures crucial meeting details, action items, and discussions, facilitating efficient follow-ups and task tracking. AI summaries. Utilizes AI technology to generate comprehensive summaries, extracting key insights from meetings, saving valuable time. Collaboration tools. Offers collaborative features such as shared agendas and real-time note-taking, fostering teamwork and transparency. Customization options. Allows users to tailor meeting templates and agendas to suit specific needs, enhancing personalization and efficiency. Accessibility. Accessible via web and mobile platforms, enabling seamless usage across different devices and locations.
Airgram offers a range of pricing plans, catering to diverse user requirements. Its free plan provides limited features suitable for occasional users. For more extensive usage, paid plans start at $18 per user per month, offering advanced functionalities such as increased meeting records and longer meeting durations. Airgram provides a seamless user experience with intuitive interface design and robust functionality. Users can easily navigate through meetings, access essential features, and collaborate seamlessly, enhancing overall productivity and satisfaction. Airgram offers enhanced productivity and focus through its AI-powered meeting assistants, aiding in improved information recall and boosted collaboration. Its structured meetings for retrospectives and daily stand-ups facilitate team improvement and alignment. However, potential accuracy limitations may arise, impacting the reliability of its AI functionalities. Overall, Airgram transforms the meeting experience by recording, transcribing, and summarizing discussions, yet users should consider its accuracy when relying on AI-generated insights.
While Airgram offers comprehensive meeting management capabilities, alternatives such as Nota and Fireflies provide similar functionalities with varying pricing structures and feature sets.
In conclusion, Airgram emerges as a powerful tool for optimizing meeting efficiency and collaboration. With its array of features, intuitive user experience, and integration capabilities, it's a valuable asset for teams and individuals alike. Elevate your meeting management experience and considering giving Airgram a try today. Sign up for Airgram using the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful reviews and tips to enhance your digital journey. Thank you for watching.